In this video, we'll take a look at the third the particle, the adverbial modifier the, aka 图也的. Let's first see how it's used in context. Explanations will follow later. 他开心地笑了。他伤心地哭了。妹妹生气地说：“我不要。”你应该好好的休息。他总是很快地吃完饭。老师小心地把画挂到墙上。Adverbial modifier the is often used to turn an adjective into an adverb in order to modify the subsequent action verb. The basic structure is an adjective with two or more syllables, followed by the, and then the action verb that's being modified. Just like the suffix li in English, it changes the adjectives to adverbs to describe the subsequent action verb. Remember that the adjective before the must have two syllables or more. So with one-syllable adjectives, you have to reduplicate the adjective or add 很 before the adjective to make it two syllables. Let's take a look at the examples in detail. 他开心地笑了。In this example, the is added after the adjective 开心 to describe the subsequent action verb smile, 笑. Here, the two-syllable adjective 开心 happy is followed by the and thus functions as an adverb. So happy becomes happily. 他伤心地哭了。In this example, the is added after the adjective 伤心 to describe the subsequent action verb 哭. The two-syllable adjective 伤心 is followed by the, thus functions as an adverb, which can be translated into sadly. 妹妹生气地说：“我不要。” Here, the two-syllable adjective 生气 angry is followed by the and thus functions as an adverb, which is translated into angrily. 你应该好好的休息。Here we have a one-syllable adjective, so you can't use it with the, but you can use the reduplication form 好好 followed by the. Together, 好好的 can be translated into well, functioning like an adverb to modify the subsequent action verb 休息。好好的休息 rest well. Note that the modal verb 应该 is placed before the structure after the subject. 他总是很快地吃完饭。He always finishes eating very quickly. Again, here we have a one-syllable adjective. In this example, you can see that 很 is added before the adjective to make it two syllables. Then the is added after 很快 to describe the subsequent action verb 吃. So 很快的 meaning very quickly functions like an adverb to modify 吃. 老师小心地把画挂到墙上. The teacher hung the printing carefully on the wall. Here, the two-syllable adjective 小心 careful is followed by the and thus functions as an adverb, which becomes carefully. This example also has the boss structure and the result complement. If you want to know more about them, you can check out the links below. Alright, now let's do some practice. Rearrange the following words to say, she goes to school happily. You can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 她高兴地上学. Rearrange the following words to say, you must do homework seriously. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 你要认真地做作业. Rearrange the following words to say, Grandpa is walking slowly behind. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is 爷爷在后面慢慢地走着. Okay, this is a summary. You can take a screenshot and crop it out for your future reference. Thanks for watching.